Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of tiles. And one of the tiles, the first one by default, is gonna be Samsung Health. Once you see it, you should see the amounts of steps taken right here. You can also tap on this tile to open more detailed information, and here we have steps. And you can also go back and scroll through the list of tiles, and one of the tiles by default will be here, and it should look like this, and you have these steps. And you can tap on it to open the step counter and see more detailed information. For example, steps by the time of day and stuff like that. You can also open the Samsung Health app on your watch, so you can swipe up on the home screen to open the up to open the menu. Tap on the Samsung Health icon, and once you open the Samsung Health, here we have the daily activity. You can check the steps, and you can also tap on steps to check the step goals and the distance walked and stuff like that. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.